Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. There's a reason some goals feel forced and others feel inevitable. Most people start with pressure. They ask, what should I accomplish this year? What needs to change? Or what am I behind on? But clarity doesn't come from pressure, it comes from vision. A vision board isn't about cutting out pretty pictures. It isn't about manifesting in a magical way. And it isn't about pretending your life is perfect. It's about direction. When you create a vision board intentionally, you're not just choosing images, you're choosing alignment. You begin asking better questions. What kind of energy do I want in my life? What environments make me feel calm? What work feels meaningful? What relationships feel safe and reciprocal? And what version of me feels honest and grounded? Before goals, there must be clarity. And that's the power of a vision board. It helps you see what your mind has been quietly drawn to. Sometimes you'll notice patterns, more peace, more depth, and more stability, more creative expression, more health, not just physically, but emotionally too. And once you see the pattern, something shifts. Goals stop being random. They become intentional. It becomes much easier to develop goals after a vision board is created because you're no longer asking what sounds impressive. You're asking what supports this vision. For example, if your board reflects rest, softness, and spiritual grounding, your goal might not be do more. It might be create a morning rhythm, protect one evening a week for stillness, or say no to what drains me. If your board reflects growth and expansion, your goals may become launch the idea, take the course, or have the conversation. The vision clarifies the direction. The goals becomes the steps. And here's something important. A vision board works best when it reflects identity, not fantasy. Not who I wish I were to impress others, but who I am becoming when I am honest. When it's rooted in truth, your nervous system recognizes it. There's less resistance, less self-sabotage, and less starting and stopping. Because you're not chasing, you're aligning. The power of a vision board is this. It moves you from scattered ambition to anchored intention. An anchored intention builds sustainable goals. So before you write the list, pause, visualize, reflect, and ask yourself, if my life felt deeply aligned, what would it look like? What would it feel like? Then let your goals grow from there. Vision first, then structure. Clarity before discipline. And watch how much easier it becomes to move forward without forcing yourself. Inspire Beautiful. Take care, everyone, and thanks for listening.